Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Everybody is all hands on deck when it comes to how high can XRP's price go in 2025. Do a quick Google search, YouTube search, and the first few results that you will find is numerous videos, conversations, articles, pieces, whatever you want to call it, where people are talking about the XRP price prediction for 2025. Well, I felt it necessary. I did review one myself, and I came to the conclusion that this is relevant to you guys as we look to continue our crypto journey. And if you do hold XRP, this one will be one of the videos that you want to stick around to the end as we discuss the concept and kind of get into some analysts' take on how high XRP may reach if we are in the worst case scenario in which XRP will see kind of the lower end of these price predictions. So let's get into it. Let's talk about it right now on the channel. If you are new here, awesome. Appreciate you guys all tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. We do talk XRP basically every single day, as well as all of your favorite other cryptos out here in the market. All right, so with that being said, let's get into it. And what is the worst case scenario and how high will XRP get to in that scenario? That's what we're going to be breaking down right now on the channel. I do want to take some time to tell you guys about one of the sponsors that we're involved with within CoinW. Now, CoinW is a top 15 exchange. It's one of the exchanges that I do partner with. If you're looking for spot or futures trading, check out CoinW. Make sure it's right for you and where you're located. Also, in regards to this, there is a free professional trading group within CoinW that will be included. All you have to do is click the link down below. That will take you over to register, verify with 4 simple steps, and then start trading within the professional traders that offer daily alpha, swing trades, long, shorts, all that good stuff. A couple things, though, in regards to compliance. Make sure it's right for you and where you're located. Understand their terms and conditions and KYC policy. And by all means, start trading today after you run through your due diligence, okay? But let's get back into the conversation. And before we kind of get there, let's take a peek at the XRP price. Now, XRP is kind of following suit within Bitcoin, up 4% on the day. Bitcoin, one of the biggest movers in terms of the top market caps. If we want to talk about kind of where we're at, across the board, Avalanche probably the only one in the top 10, top 15 ballpark that has shown 4+% in gains on the day. We can look in the top 10 and overall in the market. It is one that has been a relatively green continuation of these chart patterns that we've been seeing pretty much since the start of the new year. Okay, a couple hiccups along the way, but it has been, for all things considered, one of the stronger starts to 2025 that we can talk about. And that's where we're going to segue back into the conversation to be had, because right now, as XRP trades around $2.42, roughly $139 billion market cap. All right, this is kind of the scenario where we're going to look into these analysts from Crypto Basic and see how high XRP may reach in the worst case scenario. All right, so here it is right now, guys, where we talk about a price prediction between $7 in the worst case and $20 by the end of 2025. Currently priced at $2.41. XRP has shown a steady increase of about 9.71% over the past week and a slight 0.69% rise in the last 24 hours. That's what we've seen since the start of the new year. Now, this is coming out from the Modern Investor, okay? A promising forecast for XRP 2025, arguing that the worst case scenario is $7 per coin, expecting that the normal scenario could push XRP between $16 and $20, which if you guys have been following XRP, you're very familiar with that target as well. Within a more nearer term, that would be $10 according to the Modern Investor. Obviously, before we get too much into the rabbit hole of what we were talking about within price predictions, fully understand that these are just analysts' take, okay? They're takes from other people within the crypto world. It's not the gospel, okay? If anybody sits across from you on a screen or at a table or looks you in the eye and says that they know exactly what price XRP is going to in 2025, you pretty much can either just walk away or just call bullshit and just move on with your life, because nobody has that crystal ball. This is crypto. There could be some unfortunate circumstance worldwide that strikes down upon the globe, and then all for nothing, all of these gains get erased and crypto will react accordingly. That's kind of where XRP differs, though, in terms of that they are in their own category, and I talk about that a lot in my content within my XRP holdings. I view them as different, right? This isn't just a meme coin you picked up on Friday night and you're looking to 10x. This is a potential I don't even want to call it, but a monopoly almost of what they can bring to the table when we talk about revolutionizing the SWIFT banking system, other ways that just traditionally we handle payments, okay? It just truly sets themselves apart and really does set them apart within the whole crypto sphere as well. That's just how I view it, all right? You guys can think XRP is just a quick buck. That's fine too. I don't really care what you guys do with your own capital. All I'm trying to do is put out as much knowledgeable information as possible and hopefully guide you guys in the right direction so that you can make the best financial decisions for yourselves, okay? But these are just some of the price predictions that I am echoing from, for example, the Modern Investor. Also, talk about some other things going on. A couple catalysts worth talking about. Well, number one, Donald Trump inauguration. Brad Garlinghouse and XRP Ripple, potential an IPO within Ripple. Also kind of what Garlinghouse may be doing in that Washington staffing room, okay? Also, there has been a lot of developments within the RLUSD, Ripple ongoing with CBDCs. That's something where we look into that narrative as well. Whether or not that is a good thing or a bad thing, that's a whole nother discussion, but it's still something that can move the needle in one way or another, okay? Also, we want to talk about digital asset investor, okay, another related optimistic forecast, okay? This is something where we look into a favorable resolution of that ongoing SEC lawsuit, okay? Now, over the years, that is something that has been since 2020 has constituted a sharp decline in XRP's value. Now, if you've been following my stuff and we've been talking XRP, and I want to show you guys this because I don't fully think, A, people maybe watch this late in the video, and B, people don't really care. They don't care about the intrinsic value and organic growth within crypto. They just want to make a quick buck and get on to the next one, which that's okay. I'm not going to sit here and say that those people are all for nothing because, quite frankly, there is a place for everyone within the world of cryptocurrency. Now, this is a graphic and some trend lines that I did draw way back when, dating back till the springtime of 2022, April, May to be exact. And this is kind of where if we zoom in and kind of have these on monthly candles, I drew this because this is kind of that channel that we were in, right? Since May of 2022, everybody and their brother that was fudding XRP was talking about it like it was a dead duck. It was sitting in the water. It was the worst crypto that known to mankind, and it should never have been a crypto that they've bought, I should say. Well, here's the chart, guys. Since 2022, upwards to where we are at right now, and we'll predate this to that November, October mark where we did surge to these highs that we are experiencing right now. So we'll just forget about this absolute megatron of a candle that we're on right now, okay? And that's what I'm alluding to right here on your screen. We'll just kind of zoom in and just disregard that, okay? This is the crypto that everybody was fudding that was just moving and bouncing off this nice rising support line that we've had dated back till May 2022. So I know it's not, the next 1000x crypto, but I will tell you guys this, and this is the numbers. You cannot make this chart up. This is the chart that's been there since 2022. And we can look at it and you can put it all in your, whatever kind of equation you want to look at, whatever indicators you want to look at. This is kind of how we were in for the better part of 2.5 years before XRP's price exploded. Bouncing off of this support line and just continuing this track where this is the 2-year window where everybody thought XRP was the worst crypto investment known to mankind. And now here we are, guys, trading at $2.42 approximately. And I wonder how many of those people are sitting up here just hanging out, having a day, okay? Not probably a lot of them, to be honest, okay? And this is kind of where I'm going to lead into, right? So that's something within the speculation, within that favorable ruling within the SEC. It could push XRP to a whole new level. That's something where they look to break a peak within 7 years of trading as XRP continues at $2.41. Also, a little bit of a side nugget here as we talk about the XRP interest in South Korea. There's another report that the data is showing a growing prominence within some of the Asian markets, in particular the South Korean crypto market, surpassing Bitcoin in trading volume on local exchanges such as Upbit. That was one of the big storylines just a month ago. But XRP accounting for more than 3 times the trading volume of Bitcoin. 606 million, dwarfing Bitcoin's 246. And that is something where you're going to look into a lot of other resources out there. This could be a trend that continues, and it's worth monitoring, I think, for the longer term. Okay. So with that, I'll leave you guys. Those are kind of some price predictions in the worst case scenario. I don't know about you guys, but if XRP hit $7, I don't think I'd be quite upset. So I wanted to share with you guys this commentary. Obviously, it's not a crystal ball. It's not a genie. You're going to have to go out there and do your own homework and due diligence. Crypto is extremely volatile. Keep that in mind. But boy, is it fun when it's moving. So here we are, guys, with XRP, $2.42 on the chart. We'll see what the next few days have in store. As always, you'll find your daily XRP content, news, and information right here on this channel. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe upon exiting this video. Check out our friends at CoinW. Links down below, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.